Okay, we're having this question to solve for x, given that 7 sine to the power sine square plus 7 to the cos square is equals to 8. We have to solve for x. Someone will just say that you can use 7 sine square x plus cos square x equals to 8. This can't go, this is not the solution, because if you have a to the power m plus a to the power n, it's not equals to a to the power mn, but it's in case you have a to the power m times a to the power n, that will be equals to what? M plus n. Okay, this is what we have, not this one. Take that into consideration, then let's solve it together. Since you have sine square x and cos square x separately, we know that sine square plus cos square x from trigonometry is equals to 1. Okay, how can you have 1 somewhere here so as to reduce the length of the equation? By multiplying everything by 7 to the cos square, by 7 to the cos square x into 7 to the sine square x plus 7 to the cos square x equals to 8 in times 7 to the cos square x. You are going to have what? 7 to the cos square, entering here to have 7 to the cos square x plus sine square x plus 7 to the cos square plus cos square, that is 2 cos square x. But you know that cos square x is equal to what? 1 minus sine square x. Okay, cos square x is 1 minus sine square x. So you can still have it like that. Over here, 2 cos square x. Okay, that is what you're going to be having. 2 cos square x and sine square x. So one could also multiply everywhere by 7 to the sine square x. That will still be the same thing. In that rare case, you are going to have 2 sine square x, and in that case, the same thing. That will be equals to 8 into. Okay, hence you have 7 here plus 7 cos square